So how I built my TikTok channel to over 113,000 followers organically without spending a penny on paid advertising. So in this video, I'm going to give you step-by-step details, insights, behind the scenes, exactly how you can go step-by-step and model the same example for yourself and then make money on TikTok promoting different products, either your own products or affiliate products, okay? So let's go straight into it. As you can see over here, right, this is not a screenshot, it's real, right? So here on my channel, you can see over here, right, almost 2 million video views in the last 28 days, okay? So I wasn't that active, but yet still I got 2 million views. So this is a lot of traffic, audience, eyeballs, right? Especially if you're doing affiliate marketing on ClickBank or any other affiliate network, you can utilize that promoting different products. Either you're promoting high ticket, low ticket products, weight loss supplements, info products, digital products, courses, whatever, right? You can do a lot of sales using this principle. You can see over here 20,000 views. Now, in the last 60 days, 2.2 million, right? You can see over here the comments, 9,500 comments. This is really good. Good engagement. You can see it's growing by plus 18,000. Plus, you can see over here, right? 363% growth, right? So it's doing really well without spending a penny on paid advertising on TikTok ads, okay? Free traffic. So let's go straight into it, how you can do it. You see the first thing, right? Okay, you see it's my profile, 1.4 million likes and 113,000 followers and growing. Now, the first thing, right, is this. The secret is you have to understand your audience. So with short videos, 15 seconds to 60 seconds, plus doing lives, right? There are 3 core principles. The first one is hook. Hook has to be your headline in your videos to get attention, but also the right kind of attention. The point is not to go viral. If you want to make sales, if you want to make money online, right? You need to target the right kind of audiences. So hook, content, and CTA. CTA is always the must, okay? You can include it 3 times in the video. Call to action, right? What is call to action? Buy now, or click the link below, or I don't know, follow the account, right? Whatever your goal is. So hook must do two things. The first one is actually say who the video is for and what they will get in that video, right? You must be really specific, to the point. You need to have a unique mechanism in that hook. And again, what works really well is colorful shock statements, right? As your hook or header. Now, if you want to get 500,000 to 2 million impressions or views on each video, then this is the way to go, right? Now, understand audience again, niche, what you are in dating, relationships, financial niche, wealth niche, or weight loss, right? Personal development, or you're in e-commerce, right? So it really matters what niche you're in. And then what is the AOV? What is AOV? Average order value. So basically, imagine this, you have your own coffee shop. This is your TikTok, right? You have your own little coffee shops and you're getting eyeballs, audiences. So audiences of people are coming to your shop. And in order to get the sales, to get money out of your TikTok, right? You need to understand who is your audience, what age they are, and what do they want. What are their desires and needs, which is really important if you want to make a lot of money as an affiliate or product offer owner on TikTok, right? So understand this, you have low emotional states and high emotional states, right? In marketing, this is very important because you have unaware audiences who have never heard of you, right? For example, 35 to 65 years old, those are mostly frustrated people who just want to get results. For example, in weight loss space, they are overweight, they are fat, and the stories really matters to this kind of unaware audiences who are not aware of your products. They're not aware of you, who you are, right? So it will work really well if you have great engagement and you can bring a lot of money to your shop or to your affiliate offers. Now, high emotional status, those are great audiences, are hyper aware, they know what they want, right? And mechanism has to be on how it works and why it works, right? So if they are warm and aware, they're gonna buy immediately because they don't care about any story. For example, if you go to iPhone shop, you don't have to watch webinars, mastermind call, book a call, whatever. No, you just buy the product. You don't have to watch VSLs or anything, right? Especially doing e-commerce on TikTok. It really works well if you wanna grow really, really high, right? And again, very important thing is when it's organic, you have a warm audience. They'll buy anything, right? So even though, look now, if I lose my YouTube channel, if I use Instagram, if I use anything, I still have TikTok. The beauty of TikTok is you can grab the audience from there, bring them to your email list, bring them to your Facebook groups, whatever you're using, right? And you can build a huge communities and make a lot of money promoting different things, right? This is free traffic. This is organic traffic. Not even one single ad spent on over 100,000 followers or subscribers, right? You can drive them to your email list, as I said before. They can see your video, they see you. You can also create faceless channels, drive them from TikTok to your email list, and promote products, ebooks, whatever, digital info courses to them all over there. So that's the beauty of this system. Now, if you want to know exactly how to do this, right, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can like this video, leave a comment. You have any questions, ask anything you want, and you can connect with me one-on-one on my Instagram, Facebook, email, and WhatsApp. Yeah, everything is below in the description. So after watching this video, you can go straight below, but only if you are serious, right? Because if you already knew how to grow your TikTok channel or how to make money online, you would have already done it, but you don't. And the reason you don't know and you're not getting results is because you did not get any personal support, one-on-one, hand-holding. You did not get exact strategies behind the scenes that work. I'm not talking about tricks and tips. I'm talking about the real things that will help you to move the needle, right? Without having to worry about your ad accounts getting shut down, without having to work 10 hours per day managing ad accounts or TikTok accounts. No, especially spending 1 to 3 hours a day or at least 6 hours per week doing this, and you can get to $10,000 to $30,000 per month or more in income if you take this serious, right? So you can have sustainable passive income online, week after week, day after day, month after month, right? So that's the name of the game: consistent, scalable results. All right, and we are not talking about any tricks here. If you want to have in-depth knowledge and understanding of affiliate marketing and marketing online, psychology behind it, you will be able to crush it and get really good results. Okay, so if you want to become someone who is a great marketer and can build your own channels, can make money in the same time, then let me know. Especially if you're a business owner, or maybe if you own some kind of brands, you understand the audience is everything, right? The views, the attention is everything, and also the right kind of attention that you purchase, that you can move them to your email list and build huge scalable income. Now again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you in the next one.